Hello, hello, welcome, welcome, welcome to the African spa. Okay, I am going to take special care of you. The African way, alright? Massage, take care of your face, take care of your face and body, alright? I know you've done the necessary payment and I assure you, you will not regret it. Just follow me. Feel a bit hot. Alright, don't worry. Soon you'll be cold. Okay? Yeah. We handle everything the traditional way. So I have this traditional hand fan and I'll use it to fan you. Okay. Fan you. Better now. Okay, mom. Not a problem. Fine. There is a room at the other end. I would like you to change into this. Just change into this. Okay, just have it. Oh, look how pretty you look. You're out. Thank you very much. Please, I want you to sit down on that chair and relax. I've got something for you before the spa section. Alright. Alright. Here we've got the wine, the best wine. And it's the traditional wine, as you can see. And I assure you, you are going to, and I assure you, you are going to enjoy it. Do you mind if I pour some for you? Oh, perfect. Okay, you can have this. Have this and drink. The wine is already here. Mom, as you're drinking this, I want you to relax. I have some melodic sounds for you. With my Ichaka, I am going to produce some melodic sound for you as you sip your drink. Alright. So now, I just want you to relax on that wooden mat. Alright, it's so comfortable, don't worry. It's so comfortable and I assure you, you will love it. Okay, I'm going to that room for the proper spa. We are going to give you that kind of way. Her Royal Majesty, welcome. Alright, so I'm going to spread these flowers as we are going. Alright, all hell the way. 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 Alright. I hope you are so relaxed. You've got nothing, absolutely nothing to worry. I can see you still have some of your jewelries on. I would like to remove them. Alright, we remove them. Oh, nice beads. I will place this somewhere it will be safe. Okay. First, I will have to clean off your makeup. Okay, and I will be using. Let me first state that everything we use here is organic, natural, made from plants and all other natural ingredients. We don't do synthetic or artificial here. Okay, I am going to remove your makeup, clean it, with our organic red soap. Okay, and your face will be so clean. First, let me put the water. Yeah, I have the organic red soap. You know one thing, it lasts forever, it doesn't expire. Okay, and little goes a long way. So I'll get this. Just get a little water. I told you. On your face. Clean it. Add more water. I'm going to be doing this in a circular motion. Just clean your face. Clean. Fine. Then I'll wash it off. Then I will just pat it dry. Pat dry. Pat dry. Pat dry. Just the hand fan to dry it even more. Natural air is better. Okay, now that your face is dried, I'll go ahead and massage it with our shea butter. It will help soften your face, make it soft and smooth like that of a newborn baby. Alright, it's made from the shea butter. So I will use this and massage your face. It's what the shea butter looks like. It's also good for the hair, and little goes a long way. I have this. Tap on your face first. Tap on your face first. Then massage it on your face. Massage it on your face. Massage it on your face. Massage it. Massage it.